George got a bonus? Yeah, washing my hands. At least she waited, you know. Did you hit the major again like that buffalo one? You can change the speed? Oh boy. Well, turn it off. Well, it's not blinking up top. Turn it off if it's blinking. I don't know. 88-cent bet with a 20. 2 screens. All right. Come on, prize boost, big bang. There's that progressive up top. Nice. Ooh, supercharge. Hey, you get more than one doing that. A minor. Right off the bat. Dang, George, keep going. Got that Midas touch. Turning things into gold. It's funny, the miner just blinking up there like, okay, got it. Find that 2x on that miner, double it up. Don't know if it can do it. Let's see. Price boost up top. Retrigger, sweet. Come on, bring a miner down, double it down. Uh-oh. Nice. Oh, wow. Time for... Oh, they're still coming. What a 450. Casino math time. Well, you broke the 20 challenge for sure. That was just the top one? Oh my gosh. You sure I should let you leave? Maybe you should before they tell you you can't have any more. 20 times 4 challenge.
And they were like this, and both of them just went.
Whoosh. Yep, don't believe the graphics. Believe the payout line. Rising rockets. Flushed it again, huh? You never know. Set your stop limit. What the? What the, George? Fist bumped it. Y'all gotta love George. Subscribe, join the memberships, and hit that like button. So I'll keep bringing you more and more fun. What's a 4?
Utah, give me 2.
Utah got 2 last time, so that's 2 plus 2, right? You did good with 2. I'll take 2. Double the meatball sandwich, Utah. Oh, treasure boxes. That's different. Sweet. A $50 treasure box?
Awesome.
Can I put some hot sauce on that thing? Oh boy. See, I knew she wasn't supposed to leave yet. That 20 challenge wasn't over. Come on, progressive it. That's not a progressive. Never believed the fireworks. We tried. And again. Ah, you're not out of it yet. 4 more to go. It said give you 4. It did give you 4 on that bottom one. Okay. Each re-trigger was 4. Look at me not paying attention. There you go, 4 again. Now I see why people subscribe to you, George. A true winner. Oh, I thought you were going to do it again. I'd be like, okay, for the last one. Wow. Dun, dun, dun. I think we're going to get milkshakes on the way home. I mean, it's a beautiful 70 degrees over here in Kings Mountain, North Carolina. I need to come check out the Two Kings Casino if you're anywhere near Charlotte, North Carolina, USA. George, it's gonna. Wow. Major fist bump. She's too busy clapping, Kitty. Happy dance on the George of the land. Bam. She's gonna flush it again. Look out. Boy. That's an even 180, 70. I don't know what she's gonna do, y'all. Let's see. She's gonna hit it for the road. As bad as the service button's been hit, but the light's not on. Maybe that's what's wrong with it, is it's paying too much. Quick, hit this machine. It's in the A section. Thanks for playing, George. See you guys at the next one.
Hope you had fun.
We had
Good
fun
luck.
watching. Good luck, y'all.